Hi there, students. A vestibule. The vestibule. A countable noun. Okay, this is a little room, well, not always little, just inside a house or a building. Yeah, so you open the front door and there's a little room with another door. Yeah, that's the vestibule, the entrance hall. So I guess a hotel could have a vast vestibule, a very big one. So the vestibule, the entrance hall, the hallway, the entrance, yeah, the foyer as well. Okay, so a vestibule. The vestibule's the entranceway. It's the place where you enter. So when you get to the house, open the door, go into the vestibule, take off your shoes, leave your shoes in the vestibule, hang your coat up in the vestibule, and then come in. Okay, so it's the entrance of a place. In architecture, it can be a large entrance hall for a palace or something like that. Yeah, it's the place. It's the place where you enter a building. Yeah, it's the first room. It's a small entrance hall. Yeah, it's a passage from the. It separates outside from the real inside of the house. Yeah, so maybe if somebody comes to visit you or comes to your house, you can talk to them in the vestibule without inviting them inside the house. Yeah, well, effectively they're inside the house, but they're not in the real house where you live. Okay, it's like an anteroom. The Americans use this word, the lobby, as well. Yeah, the lobby to a place is the vestibule. I guess they also use this word vestibule in medicine and anatomy. It's a cavity or a space that is the entrance to a passage or something. So, for example, I guess the stomach is the vestibule for the digestive system, but I think that's much more formal. Yeah, you're only going to find it in that sort of thing. I was thinking maybe purgatory is the vestibule of heaven. Yeah. Okay, so vestibule, antechamber, anteroom, entrance hall, lobby, foyer. Yeah, the place where you go in. So I went through the front door of the palace and into this enormous vestibule, which had an impressive marble staircase leading up. Okay, so the vestibule, it's the antechamber, it's the entrance hall. So it's between the outer and the interior parts of a house or a building. Apparently the Americans also use this word vestibule to talk about a train where there is an enclosed space at the end of a passenger car in between the carriages. Yeah, and it's like a sheltered entrance for the next car, so you could open all the doors and walk straight down the train. A vestibule school. Yeah, a vestibule school is a place which teaches you specific skills to trainee workers. So I guess vocational training is a type of vestibule school. It's an entranceway that takes you on to a specific profession. Okay, so a vestibule is a hallway connecting the interior and the exterior. So vestibule, formality. This sounds a bit formal. I think I'd give this 6.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. Yeah, I wouldn't use it informally. The hall, the entrance hall, the entrance. The lobby, if you like, in American. Yeah, use it semi-formally or formally. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin vestibulum, the forecourt, the entrance. Yeah, I think from vestio to dress, and bulum a place or a location. So I think it's probably the place where you came in out of the street, and you dressed in your house clothes. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Vestibule.